Hi there, students. Circumlocution. That's quite a long word. Circumlocution. A noun. I guess circumlocutory as an adjective, or as a verb to circumlocute. I think both the adjective and the verb are pretty unusual. Okay, circumlocution. We use this with two meanings, really. It's using lots and lots of words instead of being clear and direct. Yeah? When you want a straight answer from him, all you get is circumlocution. Yeah? He beats around the bush. He doesn't get to the point. Yeah? Using too many words, especially when fewer words would be great. Yeah? Very often when you're trying to be evasive, not to answer the question, or you're trying to be vague. Look, I don't want any more circumlocution. Just get to the point. Tell me what you want. Yeah? From his circumlocution, I could infer that he wanted something from me. We also use this word circumlocution to mean to avoid saying something directly, particularly something that's unpleasant or something that, well, is maybe a little bit taboo. So, yes, in Parliament, when they say that an MP is tired and emotional, this is a circumlocution for drunk. Can I wash my hands, please? Okay, this is a circumlocution very often for I need to use the toilet. Yeah? He was very economical with the truth. He was lying. A circumlocution to avoid saying something strong. So I guess you might say that the best circumlocutors in existence are politicians. Okay, so a roundabout or evasive way to use it. Could I go to the bathroom? Could I wash my hands, please? I've heard that used on many occasions. I think maybe many euphemisms come from circumlocutions. Yeah? He's always really long-winded and uses loads of words. And his circumlocution is really very frustrating. Yeah, he's prone to circumlocution. Yeah, he circumlocutes all the time, unusual. His circumlocutory way of speech is frustrating. So, firstly, it talks about tautology. Yeah, using extra words to express an idea. Yeah. Using too many, and it sometimes means that what you're saying doesn't become clear, being too loquacious, but it may have other ideas as well. I guess if you wanted to use a really technical word when you were explaining something, you might use a circumlocution of the technical word and explain it more clearly. Yeah, so I don't know. The viral load. How many viruses you've got, or the amount of virus, circumlocution. Okay, so using a roundabout expression to avoid saying something because you don't want to give the information, because you want to be vague, because you don't want to say something strong. So the Brits are real experts in circumlocution. They don't call a spade a spade. Yeah? Okay? This was absolutely terrible. No. This could have been so much better. Yeah? Okay, that's a circumlocution, avoiding saying things directly. So to go around the houses, to beat around the bush, to mince your words, to equivocate, yeah, to waffle, yeah, yeah, to use a euphemism. Yeah, I think euphemisms and circumlocutions are just about the same thing, because we use euphemisms to say things that are taboo or not acceptable. Yeah, and that is effectively a case of circumlocution. So formality, this is a formal word. I wouldn't use circumlocution in an informal conversation. People would think you're weird. Yeah, beating around the bush. You just loves the sound of his own voice. Talks too much. Yeah. So, yeah, formality. I'm going to give it 7.5 in formality. Use it in semi-formal and formal writings. I wouldn't use it even in a semi-formal conversation. And then, as to origin, it comes from Latin, circumlocutio, circum, around, and locution, talk. So to talk around something instead of going straight to the point. Okay, so that's probably enough circumlocution from me for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Circumlocution.